Gentlemen, have you ever gotten dressed and then realized you didn't know whether or not to wear black shoes or brown? Well, no worries. We're going to cover that very thing today on this episode of Tip Tuesday. Alright, let's dive right into it. What color shoe should I wear? Black or brown? Well, the answer is quite simple. What color are your buttons? That's right. For example, if the buttons on your jacket are black, then you wear a black shoe. If the buttons on your jacket are brown, you wear a brown shoe. Now I know what you're thinking. What if the buttons on my jacket are the same color as my jacket, like I am today? Well, the answer is simple there as well. That's considered a neutral. And in a neutral case, guess what? You can wear whatever color so choose. That's all for today's Tip Tuesday. Now, our Tip Tuesdays are designed to be very simple, very concise, but yet very informative. So if you have a question or something you would like for me to cover, just enter that down in the comments section. You never know, you might be featured on the next Tip Tuesday. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. Until next time, don't forget, look great, feel great,